Damaged window screens let in bugs anytime the window's open. Luckily, repairing and replacing them is an easy project anyone can do. You need to first assess the damage. If your window screen has a small tear, it can be repaired. If there are tears larger than 2 inches in any direction, or the window screen is missing altogether, it needs to be replaced. To repair the screen, pick up a screen repair kit. These are available in fiberglass or aluminum, depending on the type of window screens you have. Examine your current screen to find out or bring a piece with you to the store. Fiberglass window screens are flexible, while aluminum screens are stiff. To repair fiberglass window screens, you'll add a self-adhesive patch over the tear. For aluminum screens, you'll bend the ends of the patch in with the existing fibers on the screen. If you're replacing the window screen, pick up a few supplies like new spline, which is the flexible cord that holds the screen in place, a roll of screen, and a screen tool. Spline comes in different widths, so take a piece of the old one with you to the store to make sure you get the right size. Once you have all your materials, you'll need a large flat surface to work on. Lay the empty window frame down and roll out the new screen on top of it. Cut the screen 1 inch larger than the frame on all sides. For neat corners, cut the corner of the screen down the center to create 2 pieces that will overlap when pushed into the frame. Now it's time to replace the spline. Start at the corner of the frame and use the grooved wheel on the screen tool to roll the spline into the channel on the screen frame. Hold the screen material taut as you do this. Once you've completed all 4 sides, trim off any excess screen with a utility knife or sharp pair of scissors. Place the newly repaired window screen back in place and enjoy the fresh air without the unwanted guests.